Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Figma and Wix Studio together for the ultimate website building experience. First of all, we're going to start with Wix, right? And Wix is a website or a tool that enables you to create a new website. You can go ahead and simply log in with your account and create a new site. You can use their AI based feature that allows you to set up a website by simply describing or telling the bot about the site you're creating and get a personalized dashboard with everything you need to manage it. You can go ahead and use the AI, or you can set up without chat, right? And you can select the sect, right? Blog, portfolio, whatever that might be for you, right? And go and continue using the prompt to create your own website. Okay. Now, after you create your own website, you're gonna be able to see your dashboard. As you can see right here, I have two websites. I can click right here and select the site, for example, right? And I'm gonna be able to be inside the Wix Studio, right? I can use, of course, the drag and drop tools to replicate basically the same process as Figma, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and click right here, design site, the tab, right? I'm gonna be able to pick a template, for example, or generate a design. I'm gonna pick a template, right? And then I'm gonna edit right away, okay? And I'm gonna be inside, of course, the Wix website studio, so I can show you just the tools and everything, so you can do it for yourself. So I'm not gonna be doing much, okay? So I'm gonna be inside the basically the studio right here. So I'm gonna wait for a few moments and I'm gonna get back to you. And as you can see right here, I'm inside the website. I can use the tools on the left hand bar. Sorry for my laptop, it's lagging. You can use the tools right here by clicking tools to zoom in and zoom out. You can also add elements like a drag and drop right here by just let me wait for a few moments right until they add. You can also add sections, pages, and menu, site design. You can add apps or your businesses, media, and many more. So you can see right here, you can add elements, right? You can add fonts, whatever that might be for you, right? And you can use AI for that. You can add site design from here, right? Color theme, text theme, page background, and so forth. You can also go and view the app market to leverage their features so you can empower your own website. You can also right here add sections, for example, right? Add a welcome section, about section, team, contract, and all that. And of course, you can use animation, right? You can add animations by using the customization right here at the top. You could add this, for example, add the font, for example. You can add this one and, change the font and add effects, or, add the character and line spacing in many more. So basically you can use that as a way of leverage. And after you finish, you can hit publish at the top, right? Speaking of Figma, you can go ahead to the official website, right? And you can use your design, right? And you can use it to basically add your own template, right? In my case, I'm using my own template, and you can use their asset, their asset, their plugins and all that stuff by clicking right here, actions. You can see asset, and you can see plugins and widgets, so you can prototype that design. And you can use right here the library at the left hand menu, so you can add more pages, right? And you can see also the prototype feature, so it can give a better look for your website. You can hit play at the top right here to see if your website or if your design is good, right? And after you look it up and everything, you can share with other people without coding. You can just simply share the link, and people will be able and other people will be able to participate in your design and give a feedback. So it's really amazing feature that you can use for designing your own website. You can also add many other prototype, and you can also use the design toolkit right here to add local site, add color, effect, grid, whatever that might be for you. And you can also export right here as a PNG if you want to share save it to your PC or laptop. So basically the same thing. You can hit share at the top right and share with other people so they can view your design and view the prototype and give a feedback, so they can basically give a better feedback. You could create your website layout component and use it, of course, assets, and you can export the images from here, your design basically, right? And you can also define the site layout and functionality, right? You can break it down basically by using local variables, or you can add text, notes, and many more. I haven't gone into all the features, but you need to upgrade in order to get the full features. But basically that's how you can start your designing journey. Okay, and after you finish, you can hit share at the top right, and just like Wix. In Wix, the only difference is you can publish it to other people so other people can see it, but for Figma, you can share it with other people so they can view your design or view the prototype and give a feedback. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe.